two daughters. The younger daughter said to his father, "Father, please give me a share of your wealth." The kind father was kind, so he divided his property and gave the younger daughter his share. After receiving his share, the younger daughter packed her things and went to a faraway country. There, she spent and wasted all her money on parties, food, fun, and adventure with friends. After her wasteful time, her money was gone, and there, home and her family in that land. And then, she became poor and found it so bad she got a job feeding pigs. But her master was injured, and she was forced to eat the pig's food. And then she realized that even my brothers had food to eat. I will go back home and tell my father I am sorry. So the young woman returned home. But when his father saw him from far away, his heart was filled with love. He ran to his daughter, hugged her, kissed her, kissed her. The daughter said, "Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am not worthy to be called your daughter. Treat me as your house servant." But the father said, "Quick, bring the best robe and put it on her. Prepare a feast. My daughter was lost, but now she's found." They celebrated joy and thanksgiving. A moral lesson. God loves us no matter what we have done. When we make mistakes and truly ask for forgiveness, He is always ready to welcome us back with open arms.